Doing a bit of this and a bit of that today, boys. Ah, with my door key. Don't have to go old school, boys. 2 screws. Ah, false alarm. I'll get my level. Wow, right, okay. That's off about 4 mil, we can lose that. Right, let's see. I was wrong. Should have got the Specsavers. Beautiful. That's a door frame. Apparently it came in like that. I smell shite. The cows are selling. Who designs these hussies? Oh, where's your mask? I left it at your mum's house. And a cupboard, who gives a bollocks? Need to glue it, cause the camera's on. Fuck off. Looks good. Ah, I've run out of nails. Where's the nail gun, man? Paprika. Oh, for fuck it up. Cause I just broke the glue. Trying to be a smart ass. Wow. Cheaper, man.